The question says, solve for x in this equation. So we have 9 raised to power 1 over 4. Everything is power x minus 2 equals 1 over root 3. So how do we do this? Solution. Okay, so for 9 raised to power 1 over 4 raised to power x minus 2 equals 1 divided root 3. Okay, so for 9, we can have this as 3 raised to power 2 times 1 over 4 within the bracket raised to power x minus 2 equals 1 divided, so for root 3, we can have it as 3 raised to power half. Okay, so for this, we have it as 3. So when we simplify this, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. So we have it as half. Okay, raised to power x minus 2 equals, so we can write this as 3 raised to power minus 1 over 2 as a result of this. Okay, so here we can apply the exponent law, that is 3, multiply this with this. We have this as x minus 2 divided 2, okay, equals 3 raised to power minus half. Okay, so from here we have 3 raised to power x minus 2 divided 2 equals 3 raised to power minus half. So we take the power, so we have x minus 2 divided 2 equals minus half. So we cross multiply, so we have 2 into x minus 2, okay, equals 2 into minus 1. So when we open up, so for 2 times x is 2x, for 2 times 2 is 4, for 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So we add 4 to both sides, so we have 2x minus 4 plus 4 equals minus 2 plus 4. So we have 2x, so this is out. So we have minus 2 plus 4 is 2, okay. So the value of x is 2 divided 2, that is 1. Okay, so let us work with 1. Let's verify when x equals 1 in this equation. So for 9 raised to power 1 over 4 raised to power x minus 2, we have it as this, okay, which is 3 raised to power x minus 2 divided 2, okay. So for x to be 1, we have 3 raised to power 1 minus 2 divided 2. So this is 3. For 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. Okay. To remove this, we have 1 raised to power 3. Sorry, 1 divided 3 raised to power half. Okay. Or we write it as 1 divided root 3. Okay. Which is same thing as this. So that means the value of x is 1. The question says, solve for x in this equation. So we have 8 raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power x plus 1 equals 1 over 4. How do we do this? Solution. So we have 8 raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power x plus 1 equals 1 over 4. So for 8, we have it as 2 raised to power 3 times 1 over 3. Okay, raised to power x plus 1 equals 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which is 4. So we can easily simplify this. This is out. So we have just 2. Okay, so raised to power x plus 1. So we have 1 divided 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so from here we have 2 raised to power x plus 1 equals, for 1 divided 2 raised to power 2, we have it as 2 raised to power minus 2. So here we have x plus 1 equals minus 2. Okay, so we can subtract 1 from both sides. So we have x plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus, okay, minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so here we have x, this is out. So we have minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 to be the value of x. So let us check that in this equation. So we have 8 raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power x plus 1. Okay, so from here, when we apply the exponent law, so we have 8 raised to power 1 over 3, okay, times x plus 1. So that means we have this as 8 raised to power x plus 1 divided 3. But for 8, we can have it as 2 raised to power 3 to be 8 times x plus 1 over 3. So this is a simplified this. So we have 2 raised to power x plus 1. And for the value of x to be minus 3, we have 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So here we have 2 raised to power minus 2, which is saying 1 divided 2 raised to power 2. That gives 1 over 4, which is this. So that means the value of x is minus 3. The question says solve for s in this exponential equation. So how do we do this? So we have the cube root of 1 over 8 is to power x minus 3 equals 1 over 2. So what do we do? Solution. Okay, so for the cube root of 1 over 8 raised to power x minus 3 equals 1 over 2. Okay, we can write this as 1 over 8 raised to power 1 over 3 for this. Okay, everything raised to power x minus 3, which is this. For 1 over 2, we can have it as 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, so from here we have this as 1 divide 8. Okay, raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, everything raised to power x minus 3. Okay, equals 2 raised to power minus 1. So for 1 over 8, we can have it as 2 raised to power 3. Okay, minus 3. 2 raised to power minus 3 because of this one. Okay, times, we have this as 1 over 3. So the outer exponent, so we have it as x minus 3 equals 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, so when we simplify this, you divide this with this. So we have 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, everything raised to power minus raised to power x minus 3 equals 2 raised to power minus 1. So when we apply the exponent law, we have something like this. Okay, it seems as saying a raised to power m times n, that is a raised to power mn. So when we apply it here, we have 2 minus 1 times x minus 3 equals 2 raised to power minus 1. Okay, so we have 2. For minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3 equals 2 raised to power minus 1. So we take the power. So when we do that, we have minus x plus 3 equals minus 1. Okay, so we subtract 3 from both sides. So we have minus x plus 3 minus 3 equals minus 1 minus 3. So this is out. So we have minus x equals, for minus 1 minus 3, we have to be minus 4. So we divide both sides with the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. So x equals 4 in the given equation. Okay, so we can verify this answer in this equation. So when we solve this part of the equation, we have it to be, okay, let us take it from here. So for 2 raised to power minus x plus 3, plus 3. Okay, so when x is 4, so that is minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so we have 2. So for minus 4 plus 3, we have to be minus 1, which is as saying 1 divide 2 raised to power 1. Okay, which is this. So that means the value of x, okay, is 4. The question says find the value of x in this equation. So we have the cube root of 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 equals 1 over 25. So how do we do this? Solution. Okay, so for the cube root of 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 equals 1 over 25. So we write this as 5 raised to power 1 over 3. Okay, raised to power 2x plus 1 equals 1 over 25. Okay, so for this, when we apply the exponent law, we have 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 divide 3, we multiply this. And for this, we have this as 5 raised to power minus 2. Okay, which is now as this. So since we have the same base, so here we have 2x plus 1 divided 3 equals minus 2. So we cross multiply. So we have 2x plus 1 equals 3 times minus 2. That is minus 6. Okay. So we subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals minus 6 minus 1. Okay. So this is out. So we have 2x equals minus 7. So the value of x is minus 7 over 2.